Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today I am going to show you a pattern drawing. It is a very nice pattern to look at. So let's start. So pattern drawing. Pattern drawing. Okay, fine. Now what you need to do is add an extension called pen. Then go in event block and take when flag click. Then go in pen again and use erase all and then pen down. Then go in control block and take forever loop. And inside it take repeat 10. Now what you need to do is let's remove the forever loop and add repeat and repeat twice. Now what you need to do is make inside repeat 5 and outside 12. Problem. Now what you need to do is go in motion block and take move 10 steps and make it to 90. Then move anti-clockwise 72 degrees. And then go in control block and take wait 1 second and then go in motion again and turn anti-clockwise 30 degrees. Now let's test it. It is just making with a pentagon. So you can also name it Pentagon pattern drawing. Pentagon pattern drawing. You can see it is just completing. Yes, it is completed. So you see, it's such a nice design or pattern you can see. So this is the overall Pentagon pattern drawing. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.